Hi everybody, so it's your girl Travel with LA back with another video. So I am back in one of my favorite places to travel, Canada, Toronto. Yay! I am here with another video back in one of my favorite spots. It's the Town and Suites. I decided to do the video a little bit different this time. I'm gonna just take you guys through the actual room while I'm in the room, and then maybe I'll like show y'all the number at the end. I don't know, but y'all know how this goes. I show y'all the room and then I will give you the details of how much the cost was, how long we're staying. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let me back the camera up. Right now I'm in the living room. That is my sis. So I don't know if y'all remember her from the other video, but she was in the Great Wolf Lodge video. So we're kind of thinking about making this an annual thing. You know what I'm saying? Travel one place and come a day. You know what I'm saying? All right. Enough joking around. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna chill out. Okay, so first thing I want to show you guys, which is of course one of the favorite things that we love, is the terrace. Now the terrace, once again, is not accessible. They normally tend to bolt down the bottom, so you know, like, you can get some nice views. Right now we're on the 25th floor, so we have some pretty decent views as far as like our location, and the room size is huge. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it back around. So we have a nice dining area here. We have a living room here. So by the way, this is a 2-bedroom suite in the Town and Suites, by the way. So we have this full kitchen area. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I know y'all see this. And I know y'all see that snack sitting right on the table right there. That snack, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna calm down. We have a TV in the living room area. So let me take y'all back around so y'all can see what this looks like from this view. So from here, right, it's huge. From here, it's a really huge living room, kind of like sitting area. Then of course we have the full length mirror. This is the entranceway here. So let me take you guys to the first bedroom. So the first bedroom, sorry, I apologize in advance, we were unpacking. But the first bedroom is relatively big, decent size. The bed, super good. I think it's kind of firm, but that's fine for me. If you are a person that really likes more of like plushy areas, then that might not be the best situation for you. We have a TV in here, another kind of like full length closet area. Let's take you out of the room. We have this door here. So apparently this is like our own, I guess, little private, I don't know, I would kind of call this a storage room because the electrical outlets are here, but I feel like this is like more of a room that's designated for big families or like big parties to come in. So you kind of can store just a bunch of your stuff there to get it out the way. Let me take you to the bathroom. So I don't know if you guys remember my bathroom from the other video. I am definitely more of like a rain shower head kind of person. So like they have the, you know, the traditional standard tub, and that's fine. That's fine, because I think the room makes up for the rest of everything else. The bathroom is a relatively decent size, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad, right? And then we have our last bedroom, which has my beautiful mother.
Hi, Canada. Woo!
And my beautiful sister, who we are celebrating her birthday. Woo! Okay, all right, just calm down, disregard that. If you see this video, say happy birthday. So we have this bedroom right now. So this bedroom has 2 beds. It looks like, you know, probably maybe like queen size kind of beds, because this is not twin, at least from what I'm seeing. We also have, I apologize, I think that's an Amber Alert. We also have another full length kind of like mirror in the room. In this room though, you guys, there is no TV. So we were kind of talking about it, and potentially this might be a room that, because it's for families, it's probably best to be utilized for kids, or depending on the party that you're like with. Maybe they have like their own entertainment systems. I'm not too sure. Yeah, so I took you through the room. So now let's talk about the price. So now as far as the price goes, so we paid in Canadian roughly around, I would probably say 800 or so, but my mom is also a journalist, so she's coming to review this place. So it's kind of like we also had some additional deals that we got off for the room. The room, if I'm correct, relatively in Canadian can go around like $1,500 in Canadian, which in US is probably going to be converted down to maybe like 1,300, maybe 1,200, depending on like what, you know, whatever the room may come with. I know that this hotel particularly provides breakfast, but this room specifically does not come with breakfast. We paid for parking additionally, and then what else? The only thing that really came more so complimentary to the room was let's see, we have a pool access, sauna access, along with gym access. So that was free. So I mean, roughly when you think about, and we're here for like 3 to 4 days. So roughly when you think about the price that we're paying, and that's 4 people in a room and everybody's paying something, we're each paying probably around like 400 or so, maybe a little bit less. I'm probably putting a little bit more coinage on it. We drove over here. It was a road trip. We kind of created a whole system of how much the gas should cost and how much we should split that by. So if you want to go with the option of doing a road trip, that is recommended. You just need to make sure you cut it up as much as possible. And then also too, you can also go with the flight option, which is not too bad. And especially if you know how to take the trains over here, because there literally is a train transportation right from the airport, and it's cheap. And like it can get you here, and then where Town and Suites is located, everything is around Town and Suites, so you won't even have to worry about honestly taking any cabs or anything like that to get around. Other than that, that's it. You guys know how these videos go. I apologize if it was a little longer than usual, but I wanted to give you as much detail on it as possible. You already know the deal. Subscribe, like the video, leave comments, leave questions. I'm always here to answer any inquiries about prices or booking potentials and finding out the cheaper deals. So you know, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to let me know. I'm gonna go enjoy this vacation. I want y'all to have a great day, and bye.